Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys, as you'll see in this video, a absolutely pristine Huracan Performante 640. This is, of course, a Carfax certified guarantee vehicle, flawless history, clean and clear title, dealer service since day one of ownership. This car has absolutely zero paint work. It was also color PPF just about its entire life. So we'll do some close-ups of all the panels. The original paint, which you're seeing now, is truly flawless. PPF was just removed literally weeks ago before we got it in. Original windshield. Although the entire PPF was removed, as I mentioned, because it was color, we needed to see the paint before getting the vehicle in on inventory. So it's been fully protected. However, the entire front splitter, lights and mirrors and spoiler are still cleared, as well as the side skirts as well. That is original paint on this bumper, and it is absolutely impeccable. We do offer PPF here at DAS, so if it's something that you're interested in doing, we can do quarters, halves, full, whatever you desire. That is a fly right there. That's not a chip in the paint. Absolutely gorgeous forged signature multi-piece wheels. What I love about these wheels, we actually had them in on a McLaren not too long ago. You have a beautiful polished lip, which is also clear coated. Then you have a machined face, which is also clear coated as well. So very, very easy to maintain, which is nice. So ceramics, of course. Beautiful car. As mentioned, no paint work, flawless Carfax, all original panels. Paint's literally been covered since this 6 months of ownership. It actually had 2 different PPF color wraps over the years on it. That wire over there is part of the satellite. So in addition to the signature wheels, it also is equipped with a full front and rear passport radar and jammer system as well. You have the Rift titanium. You have upgraded suspension. Everything inside works absolutely perfect. So we will go ahead and pull it outside and give you guys a good drivability portion. All right, guys, here we are in the drivability portion. Do have it on automatic. Hitting a pretty nasty construction site right now. guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 855-955-3377. Thank you.